Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to change a photo in a Canva template. Let's dive right into it. Whether you're looking to refresh your social media presence with a fresh new profile picture or personalize a project to make it truly your own, changing a photo in a Canva template is a quick and straightforward process. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to easily swap out images in Canva templates, saving you time and boosting your design skills in just a few simple steps. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Canva's homepage. If you're new to Canva, it's a user-friendly design platform that offers a wide array of templates suitable for various purposes, like social media posts, flyers, and more. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Type in "Cool Profile" to bring up a curated collection of templates specifically designed for profile pictures or similar projects. Feel free to browse through these options and take your time to find one that really catches your eye and aligns with your creative vision. Once you've spotted a template that you like, click on it to open up more details. Here you'll get a better look at the design and its features. Now, it's time to make it your own. Click the Customize this template button, and this action will whisk you away to the Canva editor. This is where all the magic happens, your creative workspace where you can modify various elements within the template to perfectly suit your needs. Let's focus on the main task, changing the photo. Look over to the left-hand side of the editor. Here you'll see a menu with various options. One of these is labeled Uploads. Click on Uploads and you'll be taken to a section dedicated to managing your image files. This is essentially your personal image library within Canva, where all the pictures you upload are stored. If you've already uploaded images before, you'll see them here. But if this is your first time or you have a new image in mind, don't worry. You can easily upload your desired picture for this template right here. To add your photo to the template, you have two simple options. You can either drag and drop your image file from your computer directly into the Uploads area, or you can click the Upload button to select your image from your device's directory. Once uploaded, your image will appear as a thumbnail in the Upload section. Now that your photo is uploaded, let's get it onto the template. Hover over your image, click on it, and then drag and drop it to the designated photo space within the template. Canva is designed to make this process seamless, automatically fitting your image into the spot and resizing it as needed. You can adjust the size and position of your photo using the corner handles and by dragging it around until it looks just the way you want. And there you have it. You've successfully changed a photo in a Canva template. Feel free to make any additional tweaks to the text or other design elements as you see fit. Once you're happy with your creation, remember to save your work. You can also download it directly for immediate use. Canva offers you the flexibility to easily refresh your digital projects while having fun during the creative process. That's it for this tutorial on how to change a photo in a Canva template. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.